Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. So let's get started. We go to the TikTok application. We open the app and then we click on the plus button to publish a new video. So I will choose upload. I will choose this video, for example. We click next, and here we add text. To add text, as you can see in the bottom of the screen, at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, there is a text icon. Click on it. For example, we will type hello, and you can choose the style of the text, of course, the color, everything. You can choose it from here and click on done. And then after you type your text, just click on it and then click on text to speech. And as you will see now,
Hello.
as you can see, so the video says hello in the beginning, as you can see. So this is how you can do text to speech on TikTok. You can type whatever you want on your video, and as you can see, you can make this option speak the text for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.